solve 4x cube minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 4x cube in place of minus 13x. Now I write minus 1x minus 12x plus 6 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 4x square, minus from this x out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 6. From this minus 6 out you get 2x, and here we get minus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here, that is 4x square minus 1 equal to, in place of 4 now I write 2 square, x square minus 1. So 2 square x square is nothing but 2x whole square, and on 1 even if I put the square it doesn't matter. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 2x, in place of b 1. So we get 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. This no change equal to 0. Next, from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 2x minus 1. So 2x minus 1 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 2x plus 1, and here minus 6 equal to 0. Now 2x minus 1, now you open up the brackets, you get 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will factorize it here, that is 2x square plus x minus 6. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. In place of plus 1x, now I write plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. From this 2x out you get x, plus from this 2x out you get 2. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside we get minus 3. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 2 common. So here we have 2x and here minus 3. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x minus 1, x plus 2, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0, that is 2x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove minus 1, so add 1. You get 2x equal to 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 1 by 2. Now here I should remove plus 2, so subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. Now here, first I should remove minus 3, so add 3. You get 2x equal to 3. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 3 by 2. So the x values that we got are 1 by 2, minus 2 and 3 by 2. This is our answer.